How do we find the red area given that the sum of the perimeter of the square and the circumference of the circle is 300 centimeters? Hi and welcome to this channel. Today's tutorial promises to be another exciting one. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do so now. Click the notification button so that you get updates from time to time from this channel. Well, as you might be thinking, the red area is also the area of the square minus the area of the circle. However, you'll be wondering that we're not given the length of the side directly for the square, while we do not have the radius of the circle given to us directly. So what we do first is to let the radius of the circle be r. And from the diagram, it's also obvious that the length of the side of the square is the same as the diameter of the circle. And that simply means that the length of the side of the square is r plus r, which is 2r. And since their perimeters add up to 300 centimeters, and we know that the perimeter of a square is 4s, so in the case of this square, its perimeter is 4 times 2r, the length of its side, which is 8r, while the circumference of the circle is 2 times pi times r. We've been using pi as 22/7. We're told that the perimeter of the square and the circumference of the circle add up to 300 centimeters. And this simply means that the perimeter of the square 8r plus the circumference of the circle 2 pi times the radius is 300 centimeters. I'm going to drop the centimeter for now. Our aim now is to get the radius so that we can get the shaded area or the red area. Then we factor 2r, the common factor, from the left hand side, and that means we have in parentheses 4 plus pi. And this is equal to 300. We then divide both sides of the equation by 2 times the sum of 4 and pi, which means that the radius is 150 over the sum of 4 and pi. And with pi being 22/7, we have 150 divided by the sum of 4 and 22/7. This is 150 divided by, with 7 being the LCD, 28 plus 22/7, such that the radius is 150 divided by 50/7. Then this is converted to multiplication, and the fraction after the division sign is inverted. Thus, the radius is 21 centimeters. With this done, the red area is area of square minus area of circle. While the area of square is s squared by formula, and the area of a circle is pi r squared. But the length of the side of this square is 2r, so we have 2r all squared minus pi r squared, the area of the circle. That is 4r squared minus pi r squared. Now factoring r squared, we have 4 minus pi in the parentheses, and we r being 21 centimeters, so we have 21 squared multiplying 4 minus 22/7. This is 441 times 28 minus 22 over 7, which is 441 times 6 over 7. The red area is 378 square centimeters. I believe you found this tutorial fascinating and you've learned a lot. Please let me know in the comment section. You can also send in your questions, suggestions to the comment section or to the email address I attached to the description of this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Till I see you in my next video, I say thank you for watching this video and have a lovely day. Bye.